What's up, everybody? Welcome to Locked In with Trey. Hey, if you like dreadlocks, if you starting dreadlocks, or if you're thinking about starting dreadlocks, you've come to the right place. Here on Locked In with Trey, we're going to be doing reactions to other people's dreadlocks. We're going to be talking about dreadlocks, tips, tricks. If you want to learn how to cut your hair with dreadlocks, you come to the right place. I got plenty of tutorials. Just look down below and you'll see them all. I got a whole playlist for them. They're old, but hey, they'll help you out. Trust me. Trust. But I don't want to be long. I just want to say thank you guys and girls for all the support and love y'all shown me thus far on this channel. Hey, we got a long way ahead of us, and with you guys, this community will grow, hands down. I'm not even worried about the number growth on this channel because I know it's gonna happen organically, man. One like at a time, one sub at a time, organically. We don't have to do any of that other stuff, that extra.
Hey, I need this, I need that.
It don't matter. If you like what you see, you'll smash the like button. And if you love what you see, you'll smash the like button and you'll subscribe to the channel. But hey, that's on you. You'll see it all for yourself. All you gotta do is just look at all the videos and hey, it's gonna speak for itself. Trust me. But like I said, if you like dreadlocks, if you like entertainment, and if you like some funny stuff thrown in the mix, hey, this is your channel. So go on and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way every video comes directly to your doorstep and you ain't gotta go searching and looking for it. It'll be right there. Hit that notification bell and I got you. But anyways, guys and girls, let me wrap this thing up by saying thank you again. Hey, I can see this channel going real far, especially with you all, my loyal subscribers, man. Hey, thank you guys. Y'all are like family to me, and we're gonna keep the ball rolling all 2021 and forevermore. But hey, it's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.